Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my correct person, depending on the time where this video take reach you. This na Favors blog. I will bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Friday, will be the 24th day of January 2025. The topic we will consider today for this Open Heavens Daily Devotional now, the glory and the story. The glory and the story. As I want to consider this particular topic, so we will look the memory verse and the Bible reading for today. The Bible reading for today, it comes from the book of Psalm 126, from verse 5, go chook body enter 6. Psalm 126, from verse 5, go chook body enter 6. Make we read. People wey dey sow in tears, they go reap wetin dey sow with joy. And the person wey dey waka back and front, wey dey cry, dey carry a bag of seed when he wan plant, go come back again with shout of joy, and he go carry better food with am. Our memory verse for today na from the same Psalm 126 verse 5. We talk say, the person wey sow with tears, that person go reap in joy. Before we continue the message, abeg help us hit the subscribe button if you never subscribe to this channel. No worry, they no dey pay, na free. Just touch the button, help us subscribe, so that when we drop video, you could be one of the first person to know. And your subscription could encourage us to make more of this kind of videos. Make we enter the message for today. Some people will not be Christian, they go get money because they understand, say, if you sow, you go reap. Even if those people will not know God, they feel benefit from this simple process. How much more people will be God children? During one Kenneth Hagin camp meeting many years ago, they call for special offering. Then one man called get up, say, my brothers and my sisters, abeg una give well this evening, because the total amount wey all of una go give, na me and my wife go give. People wey dey for that meeting, there be 17,500 people. When they give the offering finish, call count am, the thing call amount to $3.5 million. The man call get up, say, my brothers and my sisters, na everything una fit give be this. Now I tell myself, say, kai, this person knows something I don't know. So now I go corner him after the meeting. Now I say, I better not vex. May you tell me your secret. He go tell me, say, 5 years ago, I start business with $500. I could tell God, say, this company and your company, and I not go insult you because I say I want to give you 10%. Now me go take 10%, you go take 90%. So you fit decide to prosper the company if you want. He called tell me, say, sir, today the turnover of my company is $15 million. I can't learn one better lesson that day. Even though I never started to give God 90% yet, but I did on my way. And God already blessed me beyond my expectations. If you see person wey dey waka for inside glory, try to find out their story. And if you see person wey dey prosper pass you, and 12 na God pikin, then find out their secret. God talk for inside Bible, say he don bless Abraham with everything for inside Genesis chapter 24 verse 1. He get plenty cattle, houses, land and servants. Today, billions of Christians talk say Abraham blessings na my own. However, the same Abraham, he dey very willing to give up his only son because God tell him to do so, for inside Genesis chapter 22 verse 10. He also obey God, come up for papa house, go land when he not know at all, for inside Genesis chapter 12 verse 4. Abraham stay inside tent for the land where God show him. He refused to gum body with anything where God don bless him with, and he give tithe to God, for inside Genesis chapter 14 verse 20. those wey wan enjoy the blessings of Abraham must do the kind things wey Abraham do. Beloved, story dey always dey behind the glory. So not just dey ask God to give you the glory wey you see on top of other people wey dey shine today. Try to find out wetin dem do to take dey waka inside this glory. Our key point for today be say story dey always dey go before the glory wey you see. And here we take come to the end of today's message. Don't forget that the topic we will consider today now the glory and the story. This is now a very good point for you to abeg hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to this channel. Today's message come from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, wey be book wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. The Redeemed Christian Church of God still dey for 100 days fasting, and today na the day 14. Till we come your way again with another video, make it better for you, my correct person. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to this channel. Make it better for you.